National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for Allegheny, North Carolina County in northwestern North Carolina, Ashe County in northwestern North Carolina, southeastern Watauga County in northwestern North Carolina, central Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, southern Grayson County in southwestern Virginia, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Boone, Sparta, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Blowing Rock, Independence, Lansing. This includes the following streams and drainages: Brush Creek, Beaver Dam Creek, Bridle Creek, Tree Branch, Bear Branch, Big Sandy Creek, Beaver Creek, Big Pine Creek, Big Horse Creek and Basin Creek.